guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to add new stickers to your Telegram chat. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to open my Telegram chat right here. Simple click on emoji or sticker icon on the left hand side. This could be an emoji icon that looks just like this for you, or it could be that you run a GIF and it might look like that for you, or if you're on stickers. Now we want to focus on stickers, and if you scroll down you will see it shows like what is hot right now, and it shows that the use of cherries are actually there right now, but you can always change this if you so desire. So how you go ahead and add new stickers in it is just to go back, click the three lines on the upper left hand side, click your profile picture, scroll down, click on chat settings there and scroll down. You will have a section that says stickers and emoji. You click on that and you will find the trending stickers here. You can click on that and choose what you have. Now you remember it shows that hot cherries were the trending one that was showing on my phone in a particular chat. But what if I don't want that, but I want something else? That could be whatever, right? I'm going to choose, for example, the donut as an option here. Let's say I want, so I'm going to choose, for example, let's choose these face to fox. I can click on that and add it. You can see that I add that one as well. And I can add, for example, the ducks. Now, once I go back into the chat again, you will see that it now shows that I have this. So I can click on that and see I have these options. And that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.